The CORSAIR RM650e is an impressive power supply unit, offering a range of features that make it an excellent choice for any PC build. With its fully modular design, you'll enjoy the convenience of easy cable management and a clean-looking system. The low-noise operation is a standout feature, ensuring a quiet computing experience, even under heavy loads. This PSU is ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliant, future-proofing your build and ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware. The Cybernetics Gold Efficiency Rating is a testament to its energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and keeping your electricity bills low. One of the standout features is the 105-degree C-rated capacitors, providing exceptional reliability and ensuring your PSU can handle even the most demanding tasks. The modern standby mode is a nice touch, offering quick boot times and efficient power management when your PC is in sleep mode. The inclusion of a 12V-2x6 cable is a welcome addition, providing ample power for your CPU and other components. Overall, the CORSAIR RM650e is an exceptional power supply, offering a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and reliability. It's an easy recommendation for anyone seeking a high-quality PSU for their PC build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.